Alright, what's going on, traders? Welcome to today's live trading recap where the markets are in straight up rally mode. I personally can't even believe how profitable the month of June has been, and we're not even halfway into the month. Right, folks? Let's get into this video recap, guys. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. Quick time and temperature check. Today is Tuesday, June 11th. It's a little bit after 1 p.m. in the afternoon. I just took profits on the second half of my trade right there. You can see LTP number 2 stands for long take profits number 2. And this was a successful trade that I closed about 10 minutes ago or so. But let's get into it, folks, man. There's so much that I want to talk to you about in this video. First piece of business, I want to give a big thank you to all of my paying customers who joined us in the last webinar that we had. Matter of fact, we had 2 webinars over the last 2 weeks. That has been keeping me incredibly busy. So many very interesting programs and products coming out privately behind the scenes. So thank you again to everybody who believed in me and who took the time to attend and who were actively using the trading software and the system. Case in point, guys, what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live price action chart of the NASDAQ. You already know this is my #1 favorite symbol to trade of all time, simply because of insane moves like this, man. Like, you honestly would not believe how amazingly well the NASDAQ tends to trend. When this thing turns red, it just trends hard. And when this thing turns green, as it did right there this morning, it just trends hard. All right. Now, of course, this green and red volume indicator color band that you see overlaid on top of the chart is the secret sauce. This is how my customers and my people detect the prevailing trend at any moment in time. All right, and it's real simple, guys. All right, whichever color of the band is dominating at that moment in time, then that's the direction we look to play it. You follow? So case in point, if I draw your attention to the left side of the chart right now, you can see that the vol clearly turned red right over here. And so when I saw that happen, I was gearing up to go short, as you can see right over here. All right, take a look at this decent retracement trade that I pounced on. You can see I went short 2 contracts of the NASDAQ on this nice little short retracement. And you can also see that I did actually get to break even on the first half of my trade. Can you see that? STP stands for short take profit number 1. And this is something we talk about all the time. Matter of fact, we really pounded the table on this in the webinar, because I cannot tell you how mission critical it's going to be for your trading success to manage your risk, right? Because once you take profits on the first half of your position, even if you lose on the second half, which I did, can you see this tiny text right here? It's kind of hard to see, but I'll zoom in here. SSL stands for short stop loss number 2. Okay, I absolutely got stopped out on the second half of my trade for a loss, but it didn't matter because I made money on the first half. So this entire trade right over here, okay, this short was basically a scratch. You understand? However, ladies and gentlemen, you know what I'm going to draw your attention to next. Everybody who was trading the vol system today, I know you know exactly what I'm talking about. Take a look at this gorgeous long signal that showed up via a perfect retracement opportunity. I mean, folks, it don't get much better than this, right? I mean, this is like shooting fish in a barrel. It's too easy. Because if I show you what everybody else was doing today, all right, all these retail traders, these amateur trading idiots who are on their indicator garbage candlesticks, they got obliterated as the NASDAQ set an intraday record today, okay, by simply following the trend long. You understand? Folks, this is why trend trading is so valuable, man. When you get your hands on a trading system that is logical and something that I think just makes sense, all right, it just becomes too easy, right? take a look at where I was able to dump the first half of my long trade, right? Get myself to break even. That always leaves me happy. But you know what leaves me even more happy? It's when I bag profits on the second half of my trade. LTP number 2, you know what that stands for. Long take profit number 2. Folks, I dumped this hog for well over 230 ticks in profit. So that's how you do it, folks. Easy peasy, chicken greasy. All right. Big shout out and congratulations to all of my Vol trading system customers and clients. We had a spectacular trading day today, and I cannot wait to show you more fireworks in tomorrow's trading session. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.